videoing them?
I don't even think I skimmed Wedge last year. It's been at least 2 years since a good day at Wedge. How the waves are hitting jetty right now? Best skim day. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, it looks awesome. And it almost might be kind of cool to film from back here.
Yeah.
The foreground looks sick.
It looks pretty nuts. Hi, bud.
Thing is sweet.
You're flying.
It's like the easiest walk-on cider of all time.
The cider itself is so like sizable.
Yeah, the groms are literally like twinkle toeing to just going.
To the beach. Oh boy.
What? See that behind you? Were you videoing them? Holy yeah, yeah.
Dang, Dia.
What are we looking at?
You kicking it?
Keep it warm, keep it moving. 4.5 hours in, gotta keep it moving.
It's like no.
Oh.
Use your Wi-Fi. Yes, JD.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, great next break. It's time. It's go time. What? Oh my tummy!
Why don't you take out your teeth?
I'm going to have to. We can get that clip in a couple minutes.
Smile.
I'm creek creaturing. We're trying to convince this guy to come creek creature with us. I'm not a good example. You ride that thing too much and you're just you start falling out, dude.
Just the zoom in on the twofer.
If you have Sharpie, we'll color mine in and then
Yeah,
maybe they'll be
matchy
like,
matchy.
And then we'll just scare everyone away, dude.
Pull it.
There's sand in the tray.
This is the day of days.
It's the gray of grays.
Yeah.
This is one of those days. I'm gonna apologize in advance to Skylar. She's been up since 4:45, going straight from Wedge down to Aliso, trying to chase the river wave and the cider all in one day. These days are rare, so gotta make it all happen while we can, you know? Spring break at the spot. This thing's pretty dang full, actually. This is gonna be nuts. Yeah, James.
I'm good. How are you?
So many boogie groms. Are you gonna rip today, Cleo? Yeah. Me and a couple 11-year-olds out here today. Like the usual.
easy street. Yellow shorts is going out to sea. And it is not friendly out there right now.
There you go.
Woo! Do a 3 shove. Yeah. Oh, look who's back.
Trying to get my 10-hour swimming in today.
Cider time?
Yeah. It's been long overdue, honestly.
Oh, that was so sick.
Oh, is that what we're doing now? Oh.
Did you teach him how to do that?
Yeah, I did.
Woo! Are you gonna get one or? You gotta pull the
I just
queens?
I'm here to watch Blair.
Holy moly. Beautiful wave.
Crunchy. big Woodley guy over here.
Whoa.
Oh.
I haven't done one of those since I was like 5 years old. They're coming back. That's like my biggest fear, doing a Woodley and landing upside down.
Focus, camera.
You know my uncle Peter?
Wow. How's this fog moving back in?
Mystery connection?
Is this a mystery, Siley?
I told him to go on that.
You told me to go on that. I need those glasses.
What did I tell you?
What can you see that I can't?
It's the polarization.
That was crazy. You called it. I literally could not tell.
Get ahead of that boat. Oh yeah.
How's your day, Blair?
We are exhausted. At least I'm exhausted. I'm smoked. A lot of good waves, a lot of running, and we gotta mix it up. A little ESO action, creek action. Nice to skim wedge like it was today. That was some of the easiest wedge I've skimmed in probably 2 years. That place kind of goes through ebbs and flows of being good. So that was a really fun day all around, or at least running around for, let's say, 5 to 6 hours. Woo! Yeah, I can already feel like just when you start getting a little closer to your 30s, you can start running a little slower each hour. So
Teeth start falling out.
yeah, you really hit rock bottom. I'm creek creaturing.